g'day, I'm Matt Inwood and I'm working at Sitewise Engineering. We do heavy, light, but a bit of everything really, sort of what comes in. So there's bush equipment, like lawnmowers, diggers, a wee bit of TIG welding here and there, depending on sort of, who we're working for, and a lot of site stuff too, involving generator welding. And so we just recently purchased the 255C. We've got another one too. We've got the 3-phase one running on flux core, and we've just changed this one over to solid wire. But no, they're a pretty good machine for what they are, for pretty much the price of them and what you can get out of them, whether it's light, heavy, solid, flux core. But they're just an all-round really good machine for a Strata machine. So it's it's good to see something like that out there, just a cheap one for everyone to sort of, if you're wanting to go and buy one, whether you're a contractor or just you work for someone, they're just good machine. And also with the GT10, I just purchased one of those to run my old Strata. It's just on the 1mm flux core, but the combination works really well for site welding and all that sort of thing. So pretty good. With the 255, it's definitely got the grunt. Like we're doing flux core welding. Obviously at the moment we're just laying some stringers down. It's definitely got the power there with the generator, all depending on what generator you're running. That's just on a single phase setup with the GT10. The weld's definitely quality. It's probably just as good as any if you were running it off your normal power in your workshop. And even against like a 3-phase machine, there's no real lack of penetration. Obviously you get rid of your mil scale when your heat's in, things warm up. So it's definitely got the grunt there for a single phase machine to just for the mild steel, or if it's up to we're welding 10mm plate there, for example. There's 3 stringers which you'd pick up a 3-phase machine and it wouldn't do much difference. So, and especially the price, just for everything, it's just such a cheap setup with the both combination, the Strata and the GT. It's awesome. It's definitely like pretty easy to set up with everything. With the digital screen on it and the roller set up on it and everything. It's anyone can just about jump on it and set up to go through all your settings. It's real basic, So it's just a real basic machine to set up, so you can't get lost like some of the ones you buy now that you sort of find that you sort of get stuck in other things and different settings. But no, it's pretty easy to set up and get into it. Just because of obviously the price of it, and with the setup that I'm running, you can go to the next size up, but you're talking another couple of grand. And for what I'm trying to do, just out doing a bit of bush work in a flux core, it's just quite a really good setup if I get the combination to work together, and it's worked like really well. So just for like the single phase 220 MIG running on the 1mm flux core with this, it's got enough grunt to run it, and it doesn't trip it out, and the duty cycle's fine on the MIGs.